In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn with Binance spot trading and introduce you to some effective spot trading methods designed specifically for beginners. If you're ready, let's dive right in and get you started on your trading journey with confidence. First things first, to begin the process, open up the Binance app on your device. You'll want to navigate directly to the Trade tab and from there select Spot. Spot trading is essentially buying and selling digital assets directly, and it's a fundamental method used by many traders. It's straightforward and a great starting place for beginners as you physically own the currencies you trade. Once you're in the spot trading section, your main strategy will be to buy low and sell high. This is essentially the core principle behind profiting from trading any pair of cryptocurrencies, for example trading between Bitcoin and USDT. The goal is to purchase a cryptocurrency at a low price and then sell it when the market trends high. So understanding market trends and price movements becomes crucial in making well-informed decisions. Now let's talk about two important types of orders you can place: limit orders and market orders. Limit orders are perfect if you want to have control over the price at which you buy or sell. You can set a specific price and your trade will only execute when the market reaches that level. On the other hand, market orders are executed instantly at the current market price, making it an excellent choice when speed is essential, but they provide less control over the exact price that executes your trade. As you're starting out, it's important to keep your trades small. This allows you to learn and gain experience without risking too much capital right off the bat. Additionally, make it a practice to track trends consistently and use available market analysis tools that will help in understanding price movements. One crucial aspect to be mindful of is avoiding FOMO, or the fear of missing out. This psychological trap often leads traders to make impulsive decisions based on the actions of others, which can be detrimental to your trading success. Finally, rest assured that any profits you make from your trades are transferred instantly to your spot wallet. Keeping track of your gains and losses will aid in forming strategies and improving over time. Remember, careful planning, patience, and continuous learning are key to succeeding in spot trading. And there you have it, a concise guide to help you begin earning with Binance spot trading. With these foundational steps and strategies, you should be well on your way to navigating the world of cryptocurrency with increased knowledge and confidence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.